All right, we're gonna see now how to convert our images into black and white, and we will see different ways to do that. But let me point out right away, it's not gonna be an advanced tutorial, but just a few tips for you. I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2020 on a Mac, and you can use other versions, also older versions. Things will work in the same way. We will start to the right here, and we will use the adjustment panel to do that. And if you don't see this panel here, you just go Window, Adjustment. You've got it right here. I've got this check mark just beside it simply because I've got it open right now. So here you have different options to add different kinds of adjustment layers to your images. And among those things, you got black and white. We're gonna click on this, and right away we've got a black and white image. You can then adjust the different options here, different sliders, so that you can get the effect you want, different kinds of effect that you want. It's important for me to point out that, although you've added this black and white adjustment to this, you still have the color properties in that image, meaning that look for example, let's say yellow. You still have yellow properties in that, yellow pixels in that. If I move the yellow slider, like look at that, you see, you can affect the yellow, and converting an image to black and white doesn't mean just converting to black and white and it's done. You still can adjust the different things in the image. Look, for example, I've got cyan here. I can move the slider and accomplish different things. For example, in the shadows here, you have some cyan colors, and you can move that. For example, you've got green, and of course trees are green. You can do that. You can also move that and get the and make the adjustments. Let's see a second way to convert our image to black and white. You can come down here and click the adjustment button, and black and white, you have the same effect. Okay, let me undo that command Z or Control Z. Another way to convert your image to black and white, you can come here into image adjustment, and you have black and white here, and you have basically the same. This is the same thing, and you can adjust the sliders as you wish. A last way to do this is to use the shortcut. You have Command Alt Command Shift and B. You have your effect in the same way. Here we are. You can play with it, open an image, and you can work with it and accomplish the effect.